Morning, y'all. Fuzzy Biker here. We're just across the road from the old Coca-Cola building in the big A town. Off for my morning walk. Haven't been able to do this for a while, but on the motorcycle so much, at least not in Iowa. Check out the old Coca-Cola trucks over yonder. This is the one of the, it's not the main street, but the street next to it, Atlantic. One of the industrial areas. You can hear that truck in the background. Been an interesting last couple days. Ran down to Oklahoma and Arkansas, did the Talamina Trail, had a blast on there, just amazing riding. And back up here yesterday. Today we're gonna spend the day doing, housekeeping, laundry, things like that. Tomorrow morning we leave for Colorado. Hey, look at that, is the sun coming up? Yeah, street lights. Mighty fun Colorado, and kind of an open-ended time there. I'm not sure how long we're gonna be there. We're going to try to ride it out there in one day, 680 miles, 90 miles, something like that. And it should be a lot of fun. Anyway, got to get my walks in while I can, right? Life is good, my friends. Life is good. Get yourselves out there and live it. Wahoo!